Crafting the perfect holiday centerpiece. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines language learning with cultural exploration: holiday centerpieces. Whether you're new to English or looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding terms related to culture and tradition is incredibly enriching. So, let's unravel the meaning behind holiday centerpiece and discover why it holds significance in many celebrations around the world. A holiday centerpiece refers to a decorative piece that is placed at the center of a dining table or in a prominent place within a home during holiday celebrations. This decoration is not just any ordinary item. It's often intricately designed to capture the essence of the holiday it represents. Centerpieces can vary widely, from floral arrangements and candles to themed objects that symbolize specific aspects of a holiday. The key idea here is that the centerpiece is a focal point that adds to the festive atmosphere, making gatherings more special and visually appealing. You might wonder, why do people put so much effort into creating or choosing the perfect centerpiece? Well, beyond their decorative purpose, centerpieces carry symbolic meanings. For example, a Christmas centerpiece might include elements like holly, candles, and red and green decorations, each symbolizing aspects of the holiday such as life, light, and joy. In Thanksgiving settings, a centerpiece might feature harvest-related items like pumpkins, cornucopias, and autumn leaves, representing gratitude for the year's bounty. These symbols add depth to our celebrations, connecting us to the holiday's historical and cultural roots. Creating a holiday centerpiece can be a fun and creative way to contribute to the festive spirit. Here are a few tips to get started. Choose a theme. Decide on a theme that matches the holiday. This will guide your choice of colors, elements, and layout. Consider the size. Ensure your centerpiece is proportionate to your table. It should be eye-catching without being obstructive. Mix textures and heights. Combining different materials and elements of varying heights can add depth and interest to your centerpiece. Incorporate natural elements. Flowers, branches, fruits, and vegetables can add a fresh and vibrant touch to your design. Personalize it. Adding a personal touch, like handmade items or family heirlooms, can make your centerpiece more meaningful. We hope this exploration of holiday centerpieces has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to appreciate the deeper cultural significance behind this beautiful tradition. Whether you're planning to create your own centerpiece or simply admiring them at holiday gatherings, remember that these decorative pieces are more than just eye candy. They're a celebration of culture, tradition, and the shared joy of the season. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more enriching content in our next video.